Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Thursday, October 30th, 2025. It's a new day, guys. We are in a little bit of a losing streak here on the channel. If you guys have seen, kept up with the last 5 or so days, on a bit of a losing streak. Something I'm doing, something that I did yesterday is go back through my data, go back through my journaling. If you guys haven't seen one of the videos on here, I did go back test about 300, 400 trades, all documented, all in on a spreadsheet. I go through that spreadsheet. It gives me confidence, gives me belief. I go back, I test those same days, I test the strategy, I test it all, and it reassures and confirms that the strategy is profitable. I just need to make some corrections. I saw that I was breaking some rules along the way on that 15 trade losing streak that I shouldn't have, and I had some blunders, some errors, and it made the streak much larger than it should have been, if any. So I'm coming back today with the confidence in my strategy, and I believe in it. And today we're going to do a little bit more of the same, right? We're going to make sure we're following the plan, executing the best of our abilities, not going to revenge trade, not going to let the emotions win. Let the market take care of itself. Accept all randomness, and whatever happens, it's going to happen. So let's take a look at the chart to see what trades we take. All right, guys, so we just got the order filled on this one. Wasn't able to record it. As you guys see here, price just sold off early in the morning. Had this strong pullback up through here. Again, this is a valid setup. This is the last gap in the sequence that had this move. And stop loss, again, swing pivot high all the way up here. And take profit plus 2R, all or nothing. It does look like it's coming up pretty strong. Might take us out, but again, we need to make sure we're following our rules, sticking to the procedure. And whatever happens after that, it's not up to me. It's up to the markets to decide. So we are in it, and I'll be back, and I'll update you guys here in a bit. Alright guys, yeah, that move was pretty strong. Just took us out right there for full -1R loser. Again, it is what it is. We're accepting the randomness, managing our risk, manage our emotions and our expectations. Just had a strong sell-off, very strong, 160 points or so or something. 180 points, and then just ripped right back up 200 points. So it is what it is. We're going to look for the next setup, and I'll be back. Alrighty guys, and here's the second trade of the day. Got an NQ short setup here. You guys see here, boom, price went up, price broke below that, created this gap here, waited for price to pull back into this gap. Stop loss is the swing pivot, very not all the way at the top because it's 64 points just from there, but we made it to this swing pivot right here, and take profit, as you guys know, plus 2R, all or nothing. Again, we are in on this ride. Nothing else for me to do other than be patient, disciplined, manage my risk, emotions, expectations, let the rest take care of itself, right? Randomness. So I'll be back, and I'll update you guys here in a bit.
Order filled.
My bad, guys. That was pretty loud. I forgot I had the music on. But that is plus 2R right there. Just tapped in our target, and thankfully this trade, honestly, ever since we got in, a little bit of drawdown that you guys saw here, that little wick, never saw negative in this trade again. Price did come pretty close to getting us out here, about 10 points away, and as you guys see, pulled all the way back. But ultimately came back, took us out for full plus 2R target. Thankfully, we are back to green on the day. As you guys see up here, 8:48. We are about to head into the office, so I won't be able to record the rest of the PM trades or anything like that. But I will come back after the day's over, and I'll update you guys on any possible trades I do take. And I'll let you guys know how the rest of the day plays out, so I'll be back. Alright guys, we are back. As you guys can see here, it's currently 6:19, 6:20 almost. Just got back from the office, just got done with work, and I'm recording this video to make sure I'm accountable and posting and documenting my journey on YouTube for you guys and for myself to be able to, again, keep myself accountable. So just want to let you guys know, in the PM session, we finished off the PM session with 3 trades, 1 winner, 2 losers, basically break even on the PM session. Here I'll walk you guys through the trades. As you guys know, I do not trade during the lunchtime, which is this red box. Waited for price to come out of that red box. Boom, as you guys see here, sold off pretty strong. I wanted this short from all the way up here, but price never pulled back into it. I actually gave another continuation trade per my rules right here. Boom, breakdown, gap, waited for price to pull back into the gap, took it, stop loss with swing pivot right here. As you guys see, didn't chopped around for a couple minutes, but ultimately took us out for full -1R loser. When that occurred there, as you guys see here, this white line, price ripped through it, created another gap, another change of standard delivery per my rules, and gave a valid setup once price pulled back into this gap right here, and we jumped in on the long. As you guys see here, price kind of chopped for a little bit, worked in our favor, and ultimately came back down, took us out for full -1R loser. Unfortunate, followed the rules. Again, that's just a business expense. We have to take it, make ourselves available. And once we got taken out right there, as you guys see here, price created another change of standard delivery per my rules again, and another gap, waited for price to pull back into the gap. Stop loss was a swing pivot right here, and a take profit per my rules plus 2R, all or nothing. As you guys see here, price went in our favor here, dropped down, back to the break even, and chopped around again, but ultimately took us out for full plus 2R on that trade. So thankfully that one ended up working in our favor. And I'll go ahead and show you guys. I can't show you guys the P&Ls. Or I can in a little bit. But here are the balances on the Apex accounts. I'll show you guys the executions for the day. As I mentioned, 5 trades total, 2 winners, 3 losers, plus 1 are on the day. And here are the executions and all that. I'll show you guys. Here you guys, I took a copy of the Trade Syncer account, the trade copier. Here you guys can see all the account numbers, the balances, the P&Ls, plus almost $5,000 on the day. Pretty solid. Overall, much better day than yesterday. Yesterday was tough. I was letting the emotions get the best of me. The losing streak kind of stacked up, and yesterday was not a good, and I wanted to come in today and do a good showing, have a good showing, and make sure I followed my rules, follow the process, stay disciplined, patient, and execute to the best of my abilities, which I feel like I did do that. And it's a day that I could be proud of, calling it a day, finishing green, and coming back till tomorrow. So all that being said, tomorrow is Friday. We're going to look to finish off the week strong. Again, we're not worried about the wins and losses, 100% focused on the process, and that's where we're going to come in and make our main focus for tomorrow. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one, guys. Have a good one. Peace.